The old rule was to have a job for life. The rule of millennial is to have a career for life. We Shri Dhaneshwari Manav Vikas Mandal, Shri Dhaneshwari Shaikshnik Sankul, Devrai Python Road provide you the best infrastructure and the education you need. In this particular presentation, we are going to cover the following points. Coming to what is pharmacy. Pharmacy is a drugstore management along which deals in compounding and dispensing of medicine. Pharmacists ensure the supply of medicine prescribed to patients are suitable, advising patient about medicine. Pharmacists can choose career options, research and development of medicine. Courses in pharmacy, we have diploma of 2 years, bachelor in pharmacy of 4 years and master in pharmacy of 2 years. Courses details for D Pharmacy, the course of study for diploma in pharmacy is of 2 academic years. The curricular and syllabus is prescribed from time to time by Pharmacy Council of India, Delhi and implemented by MSBTE, Mumbai. They have theory, tutorials and practicals for 2 years. For B Pharmacy, that is bachelor in pharmacy, they have 4 academic years and 8 semester and 6 semester and 3 academic years for lateral entry student. The curricular and syllabus is prescribed from time to time by Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi and implemented by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad. They have first to 8 semester wise theory, tutorials and practicals for 4 years. For Master in Pharmacy, the course of study is of 2 academic years. The curricular and syllabus is prescribed from time to time by Central Regulatory Body, New Delhi and implemented by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad. The course of study includes first to 4 semester wise theory, tutorial, practicals and project for 2 years. Eligibility for first year D Pharm, the candidate should be Indian national. They should pass HSC or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry or compulsory subject along with one of the mathematics and biology or any other qualification approved by Pharmacy Council of India is equivalent to above examination from a recognized institution. For first year B Pharmacy, they should be Indian national. They should pass HSC or equivalent examination passed with physics, chemistry as a compulsory subject and mathematics, biology or biotechnology as an optional subject. Prescribed 50% marks or at least 45% marks in case of backward class category and person with a disability belonging only to Maharashtra state in the above subjects taken together. They should open score in MHT, CAT or NEET. Any other criterion declared by appropriate authority. For direct second year B Pharmacy, they should be an Indian national. They should pass the diploma course in pharmacy with a minimum 45% marks for open category and 40% marks in case of reserved category from an All India Council of Technical Education or Pharmacy Council of India or central or state government approved institution or its equivalent, and candidate should belong to Maharashtra state only or any other criteria declared by the appropriate authority. Eligibility criteria for Master in Pharmacy, they should be an Indian national. They should pass the B Pharmacy or equivalent examination passed and obtain prescribed 55% marks or 50% marks in case of backward class category and person with a disability belonging only to Maharashtra state in the qualified examination. Obtain valid score in GPAT or equivalent, any other criterion declared by appropriate authority from time to time. Entrance test for first year B Pharmacy and Master in Pharmacy admission. For B Pharmacy, Government of Maharashtra conducts MHT CET examination and they should obtain non-zero score in this test. Otherwise, National Eligibility Entrance Test for admission in pharmacy degree courses and they should obtain a non-zero score in this test. For Master in Pharmacy, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi conducts GPAT examination and they should obtain a non-zero score in this test also. Essential document required for admission in Diploma in Pharmacy, HSC, SSC marksheet, leaving transfer certificate, caste or caste validity certificate for other than open category, non-creamy layer certificate for OBC, SCBC, BJNT, SBC, nationality, domicile, income certificate or Aadhaar card, educational GAP, affidavit, nationalized bank account passbook linked with Aadhaar card, migration certificate, physically handicapped certificate. For more information, you can log in to www.dtmaharashtra.gov.in. For first year direct second year B Pharmacy or first year Master in Pharmacy, they require HSC, SSC marksheet, leaving transfer certificate, MHT CET NEET marksheet for B Pharmacy, B Pharm second year first year marksheet for direct second year B Pharm admission, GPAT valid scorecard for first year Master in Pharmacy admission, caste or caste validity certificate for other than open category, non-creamy layer certificate for OBC, SCBC, BJNT, SBC, nationality, domicile or income certificate and Aadhaar card, educational GAP affidavit, nationalized bank account passbook linked with Aadhaar card or migration certificate or physically handicapped certificate. Scope of pharmacy, they can work in industry, they can work in clinical research, they can work in pharmacy pharmacist or in colleges. They can have any number of government jobs, and also they can have a bright future in entrepreneurship and newer avenues. About us, the name of our institute is Dr. Ved Prakash Patil Pharmacy College. Address Gevrai Python Road, AP, Aurangabad, MH, Taluka and District, Aurangabad 431002. Here is the picture of our college. About us, website www.drvppharmacy.com, email drvppharmacy2006@gmail.com. Courses offered are D Pharmacy 120 seats, B Pharmacy 100 seats, Master in Pharmacy 15 seats for pharmaceutics and 9 seats for quality assurance. Contact number are given below and choice codes are given. DT code is 2154. Choice code is useful for admission process. Approval from Pharmacy Council of India, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, recognized by Government of Maharashtra, MSBTE and DTE Mumbai. Intake capacity and fee concession scheme subjects to government rule. We have D Pharmacy 120 seats, cap level 48 plus 48, institute level 12 plus 12. For B Pharmacy, total 100 seats, 80 for cap, 20 for institute. Master in Pharmacy, total 24 seats, pharmaceutics 15, quality assurance 9. Then tuition and development fee concession scheme for open SCBC, OBC, VJNT and SBC, SC, ST. We have 50% tuition fee scholarship. Then 100% tuition fee for non-cap students in all these categories. Then minority, we have up to 25,000 concession and 100% for non-cap students. All the students have to pay college development fees in addition to tuition fee, except SC, ST students admitted through cap route. Facilities at our institute, we have well-equipped classroom, laboratories, libraries and computer and language laboratory. We have well-equipped transport, canteen and RO facility, and campus is under CCTV surveillance. Extracurricular activities performed are given below with some pictures. Parent-guardian interrelationship is maintained by conducting parent-teachers meeting. The reason to choose us is we invest premium on highly qualified, experienced and competent staff, lush green campus, pollution-free, secure ambience.